Hey there, fellow internet sleuths. Are you ready to crack the case of Poppy Banks' real identity? We've all been curious, right? Well, buckle up because today, we're diving deep into the world of Poppy Banks, uncovering the secrets behind this mysterious online persona. The birth of Poppy Banks. Remember those early days of the internet when everyone was creating anonymous avatars and online personas? Poppy Banks was one of those characters that captured our imaginations. She was witty, insightful, and always had something interesting to say. But who was the real person behind the screen? Over the years, Poppy Banks gained a massive following, becoming a popular voice on social media. Her fans were obsessed with her unique perspective and her ability to connect with people on a deep level. But despite her growing popularity, Poppy remained elusive, never revealing her true identity. The search for Poppy Banks. Naturally, this fueled our curiosity even more. Who was this person hiding behind the Poppy Banks persona? Was she a famous celebrity? A political activist? Or maybe just a regular person with an extraordinary story to tell? Over the years, there have been countless theories about Poppy Banks' real identity. Some people believe she's a fictional character, while others claim she's a famous person using a pseudonym. But no matter how hard we tried, we couldn't crack the case. The truth revealed. But recently, something unexpected happened. Poppy Banks decided to reveal her true identity. In a shocking announcement, she revealed that she is actually a group of people. That's right, Poppy Banks is not a single individual but a collective of people who share a passion for storytelling and social commentary. They created the Poppy Banks persona to give a voice to their collective experiences and perspectives. This revelation was a bombshell for Poppy's fans. It was as if the rug had been pulled out from under them. But despite the initial shock, many fans embraced the news, seeing it as a testament to the power of collective creativity. The legacy of Poppy Banks. So, what does this mean for the future of Poppy Banks? Well, it's still unclear. Will the collective continue to use the Poppy Banks persona, or will they move on to new projects? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, Poppy Banks has left an indelible mark on the internet. She has shown us the power of collective creativity and the importance of using our voices to make a difference. So, the next time you see a Poppy Banks post, remember that behind the screen is a group of people with a passion for storytelling and social commentary. And remember that their story is a testament to the power of collective creativity and the importance of using our voices to make a difference. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on sleuthing.